Less than 2 weeks after Hurricane Harvey started pummeling the Texas Gulf Coast, the House has passed a bill to provide nearly $8 billion in emergency funding. That bill now heads to the Senate, where it is expected to be rolled into a measure that also raises the debt ceiling. And some North Texas rescuers returning from flooded areas in southeast Texas are paying an unexpected price. Our J.D. Miles joins us live from Dallas with some of the struggles volunteers are experiencing from being in all of that dirty floodwater.
Kaylee, lakes and ponds like this one have germs and bacteria, but health experts say they don't compare with the toxins found in floodwater that's making volunteers exposed to it very sick. It was a week in the water, literally, for Jordan Timms, Chris Bracken, and Ashley Walker.
We were in the water for about 8 hours, so you can imagine what's in there.
These young volunteer rescuers took boats to southeast Texas, following their hearts.
We hopped in the truck and headed down there.
We found 3 this way.
And leading an effort to save horses, cattle, and dogs trapped in flooded areas around Beaumont.
We were up to chest deep water.
But they came back with skin infections, severe cuts, fevers, along with other illnesses likely caused by all the chemicals and raw sewage that poisoned the water they waded through.
I've been deathly ill. A good day when I got back home, I didn't move. Went to 2 different ERs. Finally got relief with the second one. Just still chugging it.
I've just been coughing a lot, running fever, just diarrhea, and then just not feeling good.
Despite getting sick, Ashley, Jordan, and Chris say they have no regrets about volunteering.
You really don't think about it. I mean, we were down there to help people and do what needed to be done.
I have no regrets.
None. I'd do it again in a heartbeat. Knowing as bad as sick as I am, it's just something you do, you know.
In fact, some of them are actually going back next week to help flood victims in other ways. Now, we spoke to a doctor who says that most of these ailments caused by flood water can be treated with antibiotics, but it is capable of spreading diseases. Live in Dallas, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.
All right, J.D., thank you so much.